Why are you mocking me?
Hi guys, I got veneers. You know when they sell foolishness on YouTube on Amazon,
And nobody buys it, but then somehow it always entices you. Just don't even understand.
It just shows how yellow my teeth really are. Okay guys, we're warming up. We are warming up over on the YouTube, and I don't know how I'm going to warm up because my whole chuchu is out right now. But I'm feeling festive. I'm feeling festive.
I think I should have put this on first.
I'm feeling festive. Tracy's trying to get dressed, but she's having a warm time. A onesie and her pants.
Was I put on the pants first?
Yeah, just put on that over it, man. New style, new style.
So?
Style and style can't spoil. Wow.
What do you think everybody will think of me?
That you're crazy, regular thing. Because it's 1:30. We're going live on the. We're going live.
Oh my
You just
gosh.
make sure you stay right. If you come over any closer, your breast might be in the thing.
Oh my god! But these little patas, these little deflated tatas.
It's still a boob. You just stay right where you are.
Oh my goodness! I'm trying to get dressed.
Hi, Joe. Oh, wait. I forgot.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take off the pants and then put them back on.
Hi, guys.
I'm here. I just am getting dressed because I had quite a morning.
Hi, guys. I just came from the dentist. Alright, so I'll put those back in a minute. Hi guys, welcome. Tracy's just dressing. She's dressing. She brought Goody bring a birthday outfit. And if she moves over any closer, you is going to see a button cheek. But in the meantime, I just wanted to check out how I'd look with veneers.
It's not really a birthday outfit, it's just something nice, you know? But guess what? I had such a... Oh my gosh.
Hi, I'm Jodi. I'm 25 and I miss Jamaica.
Okay.
I can't do that anymore.
Alright.
Finally!
Here I am. Okay. Hi guys!
The birthday girl is finally here.
Oh, guys, I've had quite... Can we move over?
Oh, sorry.
See, when I come late, she just hugs the whole spot.
Sorry.
Hi guys! Thank you for the birthday greetings and wishes! Hi!
Oh, hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for an hour of fun, frolic, foolishness, and Tricky's birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you, dear Tricky! Happy birthday! And many more!
If I'm having many more, I really want to be healthy and rich.
Okay.
If I'm not, just like put me in a wheelchair and throw me over the cliff.
Well, okay then. So here we go. You know, you can't have a birthday without cocktails. Oh my gosh. Sorrel Fiesta. So you know Lady Bee has her festive mixes going on. This is a sorrel sunset.
Mine is made with tequila.
Mine is made with goodness.
Thank you guys.
How are you feeling today?
Stressed.
Why? Oh, your hair looks good.
Oh, thanks.
That means stress. Yeah, man, girl. Keep looking stressed.
So I woke up and Scott took Stevie early this morning, and so I was like, oh, let me blow dry my hair to look pretty for my birthday. Stevie would not leave me alone to blow dry. She's been up. She took 15-minute naps.
She knows it's your birthday. She wants to celebrate.
Dude, she be celebrating.
Let me get like something to put right here, because my choo-choo is going to be out for a piece of the show.
No, man. Why Lady Bee always have to do this?
And you taste the sorrel, you taste the love, you taste...
Jano,
like
man.
there's a little spicy something in here.
Lady Bee just never disappoints me. Always hits a spot for me. Always hits a spot.
Did you notice the little Christmas label too?
Oh, her graphic artist is really good too.
Yeah,
I like her graphic artist. Very.
Yes, guys, make sure you hear everybody say, who did Tracy eyeliner? Give me that me one or two, cause every week she come here the eyeliner, one up here so, one down here so, one on the eye hole. But she did a pretty good job today. No, we're saying it looks good.
Oh, Thanks.
Show your fits. You both look beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
So Tracy, the birthday girl, today, she decided to go for a black bodysuit, very fitted, slightly ribbed, giving some push-up in the breasts. If you notice, she has a nice round boob. No need for extra support. She's just got them. Don't have to pay no extra money.
I'm so flat again. Oh my god.
Calm yourself down. Let the mediator do it. Then she's rocking some high-waisted pants, Olivia Newton-George style, except in teal. She's ready for the Christmas. She's ready for her birthday. She's ready to party. She's just ready. Oh, hey.
Thank you.
I'm
And
just
here
have on
we
one
have
little-
Jodi in one little velvet dress, red velvet, every Jamaican's favorite.
Santa baby, we the booty booty whoa whoa.
We the booty booty bobo.
I don't know how the recipe goes.
Oh, I think it's leave a present under the tree.
Oh,
for me.
I got this outfit, guys, very, very cheap on that website. Remember when I was having that love affair with that, what was it, chic something? You remember? Them little cheap, they're little cheap clothes, but it's I don't know if this is appropriate for Christmas dinner because I've had to pin it and it's still not giving me much crotch coverage. So let's just put a little right there.
Baby's finally sleeping. Oh, thank God.
Okay, so we got lots of things to talk about for the Christmas.
We got lots
Who's ready?
to talk about for the Christmas.
Who's ready?
Who's ready?
I'm ready. You ready? We ready? Okay. Ooh,
So anyway, my husband gave me these flowers today. They are so gorgeous. They're rainbow colored roses. Like each rose has blue, like one petal is blue, one petal is red, one petal is yellow.
Really?
It's very, very pretty.
Aww. That's very nice. That must have taken the florist quite a while to do because that's not.
I don't know.
It never grow like that.
I don't know, Joe. It looked like the things is in the veins.
I can't remember how they do it, but it didn't grow like that.
Dude,
like I think they dip the rose in like colored water. Big up to Miss Chin over at the Spanish Town Hospital. Thank you for all of your efforts during the season, and thank you for Thank you to all our healthcare workers. Always big them up, always love you, always appreciate it. If you ever see me sick in the hallway, make sure you come look after me. Jodi is flashing us. It's a black panty, it's fine. It's way more, than you would see at carnival time. Okay, so when you have a product and it's marked cruelty-free, or when you're buying products, especially face products, do you look for the label that says cruelty-free? Is that something that matters to you?
I feel really bad saying this, but no. It doesn't matter to me.
I know, me neither. I was watching one of my favorite skincare YouTubers, and she's a vegan, and she puts her money where her morals are. She doesn't buy anything that is tested on animals, that has any dairy, and I really appreciate her for that. Like, she lets me know that as a consumer, I have the power. And she does not want to buy certain things, certain products, tested on animals. So I really appreciate that. But I just never thought, I'm not conscious of that.
Me neither. Like, it's so bad how not conscious I am of it. Sometimes I feel like maybe I should be more conscious of it. But like, there's just so many things to think about that is not at the top of my forefront. But I feel like vegans are very into that kind of stuff. It's at the forefront of their minds because constantly they're thinking about not having anything animal.
Yeah.
Right? So like I feel like
they're consumed with it.
Yeah.
They have to constantly be thinking of it. And when they're shopping, is the bag that you're buying vegan? Is the product that you're buying vegan? Yeah. Are the things that you're touching vegan? And I just find that sometimes you just become so, as a vegan, it's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Somebody says I try to appreciate that. So then now, leading on from that, in like talking about product, services, companies that you buy from, is there a store, whether inline, online, or brick and mortar, that you will not shop at all? You refuse to shop there?
Yeah, there are a couple of supermarkets and pharmacies out here that I just won't go to.
Really?
Because they're dirty inside, like they're dingy. Like they just don't look bright and airy and welcoming,
Yeah.
I don't want to say any names because I don't want to be a hater on people's businesses, but at the same time, like, I really like that new plaza in that new supermarket that's opened up on the plaza, Sing's new plaza, Town Center, Super Valley Town Center.
Yeah.
Because the supermarket is just bright. Like when you walk in there, it's just bright. You know what I mean? So I find that low Susan is bright as well, you know. High-low Barbican is bright.
Yeah, Hello Barbican. That's my supermarket. I love how they always have their fruits and veggies. And just to let you guys know, Thursday is 20% off all local produce over at Hilo. Can catch me shopping.
Winsome says Lord and Taylor, they went out of vintage. Yo, Winsome, you are 100% correct. Lord and Taylor. Remember Lord and Taylor? Like you just went. It was dark.
Oh,
like it was dark, and it was so full of, like, you know when you go into clothing stores and everything is like in like pack up, and you're just like, oh, and you have to dig through. That's not my job. I want to go into a store that's like 3 things on the rack, and I will pay more just to have that shopping experience, you know.
Okay. But yeah, I do want the places that I go to. Ali said there was a Chinese food store. I won't say where, Ali. We're not trying to put people out of business. Where, especially locals, if it's foreign colony, where she saw them cleaning the restaurant, and the same broom that they used to sweep the floor, they were using to clean off the top of the stove.
I used to work beside a Chinese food restaurant, okay? I will never in my life eat there, and I stopped eating Chinese food for like a couple of years after working there. Hi, my husband, he is on here. He said, happy birthday to my beautiful wife. Thank you so much for the beautiful roses, my baby, and you came home to give me a little kiss before I had to come here. I love you so much. See you later.
Anyway, speaking of cocktails, I brought you a special Christmas birthday present to get you in the mood. Jingle balls, jingle bell rock, jingle around the clock. Jingle and wiggle and jingle your balls. That's the jingle balls, that's the jingle balls, that's the jingle balls rock.
Wow!
This is for you. I want you to get in the Christmas spirit. These balls, I hope they remind you that it is the time to give. Pum pum. It is the time to be nice, you know?
Oh,
jingle your balls.
Thank you.
You know?
Okay, thank you.
Put it around your neck so everybody knows.
Oh, around my neck. Wow.
Yeah, anywhere you want to put it.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joe.
Thanks. You're welcome.
That's nice. I'm gonna hang it on my tree every year.
Oh, that's nice. The balls will be on your tree. I just think that balls are underrated, and you know.
Do I put them on my tree or do I put them on my door?
On your tree, on the front door.
Yeah.
Ooh, that let everybody know what kind of apartment this is. I like that. I like that. Set the stage. Set the stage.
Wow, that's nice, Joe. That's really nice.
Thank you.
They're not cheesy.
Oh, lovely. Isn't that refreshing?
Yes.
New balls never have cheese though, you know.
Oh, you want? Oh, I must try
we just switched. Sorry.
Okay.
So, you have a couple gifty poos.
Balls give life.
Wow.
Scott said balls give life. I know.
Sorrel Fiesta.
Dude, I'm feeling.
Hello, Sorrel Fiesta.
Yeah, dude. I'm feeling the Sorrel Fiesta. Did you order for her for Christmas Day?
So, what did you want?
What did you
Okay, I can do it today. I can do it today. So,
anything with tequila. So get the Sorrel Fiesta or the cider.
So it is your birthday. So Lady Bee Mixology sent you this.
What?
Yes. So guys, you don't just have pouches at Lady Bee Mixology. She also offers the big gallon, you know?
Tracy's blackberry mango cider surprise. Oh
Careful
my
how you open
gosh.
because the bottle feels a little tense.
Yes. I don't want to have this now. I have too much going on.
Okay, no problem.
I really appreciate that. I'm going to be drunk today. Thank God I have the nanny tomorrow.
Lady Bee Mixology says she loves you, Tracy. And she made me almost cry this morning. I had to be like, no.
Nadine, thank you so much. That's really special to me that you're encouraging my alcohol tendencies.
We love it. It's a vibe. It's not alcoholism. It's vibes.
It's vibes.
Vibes.
Yeah. You know, I'm just so happy we started this show, you know, Joe. I mean, before we get into any more of the questions, just so many people that I've tried to link with, so many people have been on the show or had our goodies on here. I've tried to link with like different partners or different people just to like expand their businesses. And you know what? That makes me so happy
Yeah.
that I could be
A
a
part.
part
Yeah.
of their little business and help them to grow. You know, who was the lotion lady that we had on that I loved her lotion so much, the whipped lotions, and I bought
There was Echo that I like.
Echo.
Was it Echo?
Yes.
I actually got samples, just another little gift basket randomly, and I was like, yes, I remember this
What was
brand.
the other one? It was like the whipped lotion I got.
Oh, I can't remember. I know which one you're talking about though, and it smelled really, really good.
So good.
We've come across so many amazing local brands, and we're just so glad that along their journey we're able to encourage you. You know what I mean?
But I need to start putting them back on the makeup page, because even going back to Christmas, I was like looking for looking for things to give to people,
And you don't remember.
We couldn't remember. I couldn't find the cookie girl. I couldn't remember the cookie girl.
Strictly Cookies.
Yeah. And there
You ordered from her just the other day, didn't you? How did you get those Christmas pies?
the whoopie pies,
Yeah.
the Christmas whoopie
Yeah.
pies, which were absolutely amazing.
Tracy was
Like,
at her house like, anybody for cookies? I made whoopie pies. We're like, you made? She goes, I made the order. Well, all of my Christmas presents to all of the adults this year, teachers and everybody, I did Rachel Lane.
Yeah.
Do you know that Rachel's real name is not Rachel Lane?
why would she do that?
I don't know. It's such a trick.
Does she think she's Victoria's
I don't know how
Secret?
she told me, and I think I didn't respond to her for a whole day. I'm like, what do you mean? So what do I call you? She's like, you can call me by my name. I was
No,
like,
it's
which
not
one?
the same. It's not the same. We want to call you Rachel.
So big up Joanna.
Oh, is it Joanna?
It's Joanna. What? Yes. So Rachel Lane. Joanna. Joanna. So you know, I love having these products here, because then we see them, we feel them, we're like, okay, I definitely want to give this person for Christmas, for birthday. So yes, update the makeup page. But so you know, we've been having this little thing with eggnog. So the busiest mom ever, Giselle Ashley, she's actually a coordinator. She's been making eggnog, but she's run out of all the ingredients. I'm so upset with you, Giselle. But finally, she made a little batch for me.
Oh wow!
And so we're gonna taste it.
This is Giselle's golden eggnog.
I know, right? Finally.
Is this an eggnog?
Is this an eggnog? Giselle, is this egg or just nog?
Is this an eggnog? Oh, thank you, Fitz, for the birthday wishes. Thank you, everybody, for the birthday wishes. Oh, Julie Mango is here. Jodi.
Okay.
Jodi. And you know that Julie Mango is here.
I just saw her, you know.
Yeah.
All of a sudden now, watch this gesticulations.
I know.
So next year, Giselle is going to get all of her secret.
Why are you shouting in my ears? This is where Levi gets it from, you know. The other day I said, Levi, just be quiet, because he shouts when he talks. And I'm like, Levi, take it down a notch. And then he continues talking, and then his father is like, Levi, stop shouting. Hey, Levi, I don't know how to be quiet.
I don't know. I can't be quiet. I'm like, what? Giselle last night, I'm trying to taste what her secret is. She ran out of the secret ingredient, and I'm going to tell you what it is.
Oh,
Almond milk.
That's cinnamony.
That's cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon. I think there's almond milk in there. Let's give out the recipe. 1 cup, 1 cup almond milk, 2 teaspoons cinnamon.
That's nice though. Is that coconut milk?
No, I think that might. Yes, coconut essence.
I think she makes it put Roma cocoa.
Put a little Roma cocoa in there.
Roma cocoa. There's a little chocolate
You,
bag to it.
you feel a chocolate bag?
Yeah, I feel a chocolate bag.
4 teaspoons Roma cocoa.
There's definitely white rum.
There's something warm. No, I don't think there's any
It's a
liquor in
white
here.
rum.
I don't taste liquor.
What?
I don't taste liquor.
Why am I drinking it then? Why would you
There's
give me
something
with
with
no
warm
liquor?
and earthy in here too.
It's the liquor.
That's what's warming my spirit?
Yes.
There's no liquor in here.
Giselle, there has to be liquor in here. Why would you make eggnog with no liquor? Like, why would you do that?
You're starting to sound like me in March.
It's my birthday. So anyway, tonight is the last night for The Bachelor. So Michelle makes her final choice. You guys, I hope you watch it with me. Actually, don't message me about it, because I'm going to be at a dinner date with my husband tonight.
So anyway, for the past many years, when it's our birthday, Mommy, Tracy wants a very specific meal for her birthday. We meet up at Mommy's house at what is it, 5 o'clock, and Tracy wants Lebanese food. However, she does not want the falafel or the kibbeh cooked by whoever is catering. She wants them to give the kibbeh to mommy, and mommy will bake it, and mommy will bake the falafel. So I just thought we were going there to dinner. Then mommy says to me last night, so you want to go over and just sing to Trey? I'm like, yeah, okay, but where are we going? We're going to dinner, we can sing. She's like, no. Tracy's going to dinner with her husband.
So like every year we do it, and like, you know, I feel like this year with Stevie, and I've been asking mommy to babysit so much because I don't have a living nanny, that she just felt a little bit flustered this year to have my birthday dinner
and then Christmas Eve
dinner, and then like I just felt she felt a little bit flustered. So she kept asking me what I wanted to do, but I could see it in her eyes that she was begging me to like chill out. And to be honest with you, like I didn't feel like having the big thing anyway either, because
you're a Grinch.
Yeah. And I feel like I've been doing good this year for Christmas. Like I wrapped presents.
You did. Collect that black bag, please. So I don't know.
Can you babysit tonight? I don't know if mommy knows she's on duty.
Can you bring her here? I'll be on the radio this evening. I'll be on Raoul Blaze's radio show at 6 o'clock. And you can download the streaming in hub or check them out on YouTube or the Spotify app. Girl, I shall be on Spotify.
Oh wow! Is this a present for me?
Yes. So let me tell you a little bit about Gabby. So for the past couple of weeks, when you see me here or on my YouTube, I have on this red. Did you see that? Like I rubbed my lip. Okay, a little bit of transfer. But this stuff is not going anywhere. I wore my mask today. It's not going anywhere. So she has 2 different collections. Are you opening it up? And it's a matte lip gloss. It's very.
Wow! This is the I Am Matte collection by Gabby Glam.
So this is the first collection of liquid mattes that was launched in November of this year. It comprises of the Fierce Red, which is what I have on, the Bold Brown, and the Royal Plum. Like the Sailor collection, which is I think the one in the bag, these are all vegan and cruelty-free. Back to the first topic. You see, this is not that random. We're
Faith, Blessed, and Celeste.
Are you gonna put one on?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course. I think I can. So I'm gonna choose.
See, so look, you can kiss. Look, you can be like.
I'm gonna choose Blessed to put on because it's my birthday.
You can check your matey and go back to the first man, and him now gonna know because he can be like, oh matey. You know what I mean?
What did you do?
You say, oh matey. Oh hey honey.
What the hell? Gabby, what are you on?
Gabby didn't say that.
Gabby.
So this is Gabby Glam _ Gabby Glam. She will keep all of your secrets, okay?
Oh my goodness.
Currently available at Fontana Waterloo, Kerry Man Woman Home. That's on the 14th floor of the Pegasus. Mirror Mirror, EC Makeup Bar. I'm sure by now you all know EC Makeup Bar because that is my spot. Fashion 911, the finishing touch jewelry in the Cayman Islands. And of course, online as well.
This is a packaging for Gabby Glam. It's really nice. It's plastic wrapped, saran wrapped, and then you come in here, and then this is the actual lippie container.
But do you not think look at the container, it's so cute.
That's why I showed it.
So is that the glass? Because my mat doesn't look like that.
This is Blessed from glass. This is a glass, yeah, this is Blessed. Oh wow, and it's a nice pink.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Her stuff is really nice.
Gosh.
So she's Jamaican and she's a makeup artist right here in Jamaica, and I think her packaging is so nice.
So let me show you the Blessed. The Blessed is a very nice pinky color. Can you see that?
Show YouTube.
Can
Show
you
YouTube.
See that? It's a nice pinky color.
Watch again. Oh hi matey.
But these are the glosses. These are the mattes. So I'm gonna open Faith.
You have to swatch it. Do like what Kylie does. You have to swatch.
Shimba me timba.
Yeah,
I'm so uncool.
Hey guys.
I'm so uncool.
But these are more like glosses, so I don't know if they'll. So you have to like. Oh.
Don't waste it. You know what Jodi did one time? I just went and bought makeup. First of all, I like never buy anything. Everything I have in my closet is either Jodi give me or like
Why you make yourself sound like a what left so?
Because I really just don't enjoy shopping. Like, I don't. So I love when people give me things.
I did it in the wrong place in here. Where is it? Where that damn swatch go? It's
This
over
is
here.
Faith. This is a gloss, and this is Faith. Oh, it's pinky too.
That one is
Oh,
that.
I love
I like that
it.
one. I like that one.
So
How do I
it's
turn my
pink.
wrist? Hold on. Oh, that looks like a kiss.
Oh my gosh, but these are such beautiful packaging. I love it.
They're very creamy,
I love it.
and it packs some color there.
Yeah, so anyway, so I went to MAC and I bought a brand new lipstick. And I never buy a lipstick. I always buy glasses. And Jodi, we went to a wedding and Jodi took my lipstick and wrote on the bathroom mirror.
It wasn't a bathroom mirror. It was a thing for the bride and groom. I wanted mine to stand out.
Dude.
Talking about. Everybody was like writing with a Sharpie. I'm like, Sharpie? You MFFers don't know anything about MAC.
And this is
Individualized,
And this is
special lipstick of the season. And I wasted
oh
it.
my gosh, that's so
nice.
my color. That's so my color.
There we go, everybody.
Wow.
There we go.
That's a nice Gabby Glam. Thank you so much. Oh, that's
That's
a nice
Gabby.
happy birthday.
So you can take the red since I already have one, and I've been using my red this season.
Yeah.
Like it does not come off. And like
so
I'm
good.
really impressed. Like I'm
so
really
good.
impressed.
I'm so glad that we came out with when somebody came out with like a nicely packaged lippie, because I feel like that's such a nice little present. You just buy one little
Yes.
thing and that's good. You know,
Yeah.
like we're all adults here. Like we don't need these elaborate Christmas gifts anymore. You know, like they're nice, but we're all adults. So
If you give me a
you
little
just
lip
give a
gloss,
thought. Just a thought.
I'd appreciate it.
It's
You remembered my
appreciated.
birthday.
Yeah.
You give me a little gift, and like a thank you for being my friend.
A
Like I
card
love
from
you.
a card by Cards by Mandy and a lip gloss, and that's amazing.
Perfect. Good to go. Wow. All right, everybody.
I mean, unless you're gonna buy me a jet, then I feel like we shouldn't.
I just
complain.
so Tracy sent me this video of this guy who bought his wife a jet plane, and I'm just like, what was she gonna do though? Like, what's she gonna do? Like, let me be bad man for a second. Like, what would he even do with a jet? Like, are you gonna be like, oh, let's go on the jet?
Wait, hold on. I just did that moment.
Is somebody else like, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do with a jet? Go on it?
Break it?
Break the jet!
But since you don't know what to do with jet, just call Coco. She'll
Yeah,
tell
she'll tell you what to do.
she'll tell you
Coco
what
will
to
tell
do.
us what to do. Coco
Coco-
like, duh.
I know, Coco be like,
Break the jet.
Coco be like, is a Moet on this jet, or do you guys just drink Prosecco? We're like, Prosecco.
Coco is a baby though. She just be drinking that Similac though.
Oh my god.
Who wants us?
You have sauce?
Oh girl, who wants us?
Tell me that.
Who wants the sauce? So, let me just tell you something. So you all know about, alright, it's not that good.
So hold on. Ali Bird says, take the jet and go for sushi
In Japan. I don't think,
Ali,
hold on though, Ali.
love that.
I don't think you can take like a private jet from here all the way to Japan.
Okay, since we're not getting a jet, we can take it anywhere.
Alright, let's go to Japan. Who's coming?
Who's coming
Who's
to
coming?
Japan?
Alright, the first 10 people
Sushi.
to arrive at the jet landing shall come with us to Japan. Quickly now, quickly. We have to make it back in time for Christmas. Like, what do you do with a jet anyway? Go on it.
Quickly.
Quickly, everybody, grab your bags. Let's
So
go.
hold on, stop for a second. Right? Before we continue.
Yeah.
Because yesterday, Meet the Mitchells, their Instagram page, Meet the Mitchells, posted a video of Wayne's first and eldest son, Gio. Do you remember Gio?
Yes, yes.
Do you remember Gio?
Yeah.
Gio's big.
Gio's big.
Gio-
Gio's tall.
Gio is like
He's home for the Christmas?
legal, tender, and fine.
You sure? I don't think Gio's over 18.
Dude, I don't know, but he is.
I don't think you're allowed to say that he's fine if he's not over
Jodi,
18.
he's so handsome.
Okay, alright, so then just appreciate the looks and then check the age and then you come back
I'll
and
check
you
the
go.
age. I'll check the
Yeah, you
age.
can't do that. It's like he's grown to be such a nice young man.
Dude.
Then you check the age and then you come back, okay? That's how you do it. This is what happened to Christy Teigen. You have to be very careful. He has grown to be such a nice. He's 16. He's 16. Gio is 16.
Okay, I feel like that's okay.
No, it's not legally. Okay, switch the topic, because you're going to get yourself in trouble. He has grown to be such a nice
young man.
Wow. Jeez, I'm of his mercy. So anyway, back to the sauce. So apparently there was a gathering, a very lovely gathering of party people. And it just so happened that somebody was at that party and they were positive for COVID-19. Now, whether or not they knew that they were positive, they managed to spread the COVID cheer all through the land. And so now, quite a few people have tested positive. Don't worry, Uptown people. If you're on here, I'm not calling him. You're good, man. Take it with me. So, a couple of people have tested positive. And my question to you is, if you test positive for COVID-19 so close to the Christmas day, right? Would you not tell your friends and family and just enjoy the festivities regardless? Would you self-isolate? Would you let them know and say, hey, I'll wear my mask, but I don't want to be by myself? What would you do?
I'm not going to be selfish. Like, if I'm as sick as hell, do you know what? How the COVID affects me is not necessarily how it's going to affect you, you know? So, like, put it this way. Somebody's parents got COVID and they were walking they were asymptomatic. They had no idea. They only got tested because a friend that they hung out with the day before was tested positive, and they did the whole entire 2-week isolation until they tested negative, and to date they still have to sneeze.
What do you mean they have to sneeze?
They didn't have any symptoms.
To date they are still yet to sneeze.
Yeah. Whereas the other people who caught COVID from the same person were like bedridden, you know? So like, I just think it's really selfish. You just have to stay home when you know you're positive.
Everybody here is being so, responsible. They're saying self-isolate, stay home. I would stay home because someone else could get very sick, which is what Tracy just said. Kiki, thank you very much for your input. Anybody would kind of just, who has another?
B-Juice says, isolate and beg somebody to drop off some food.
Yes,
exactly. Juice, exactly. Like,
nobody else isolate and tell my friends.
Yeah. And you know,
so me one with the COVID got sit on
there was a girl, Caitlin Thwaites, and she posted on her Instagram stories. Hey guys, I just tested positive for COVID-19. If anybody hung out with me, please go and check yourselves. And I rate that.
Very responsible.
I rate that because so many people get positive tests and it's like this hush business.
Yeah.
And I'm like, why? Why did you do that? So when I saw that Caitlin put that out on her Instagram stories, I was like, yo, big up to yourself, Caitlin, that wants to like make sure that the entire community is okay. It's like nobody gets to spread. Like, you know what I mean?
Because I think what has happened. So Caitlin, big up yourself, and I hope that you are not feeling much symptoms, and I hope that you
speedy recovery, Bridget.
Speedy recovery. But everybody here is with you on being responsible. So we thank you for your responsibility and for setting an amazing example.
Yeah, I love that example that you said.
Is that the Caitlin we know?
Yeah.
Oh, pick up yourself, Caitlin.
Yeah.
We know good people, I know good people. So I wish you a speedy recovery, especially with Christmas around the corner. What was I going to say? I think that we're all becoming, for those who are vaccinated, I think that the vaccinated are becoming very comfortable and very over comfortable. You know, so even though you are vaccinated, you can still catch COVID and Amari Virtuon. So just be careful. You still have to be careful, and you still have to be mindful of those around you who are not vaccinated, who cannot be vaccinated, and those who may not respond the same way that you would respond. So in this Christmas time, I know everybody wants to eat, drink, and be, well, no, you can't eat, drink, and be merry. Let's get that straight. But just be conscious.
Just be conscious. Yeah. I mean, like, what would I do if Stevie ever got sick?
Girl, I don't know what I would do.
Like, can you imagine a sick baby? The other day, Stevie got sick and we had to suck the boogers out of her nose.
Whoa, hold on a second. I got a machine for that. We don't gotta be sucking no nose.
It was a straw.
Oh, okay. I got a battery operated one. We don't got to like, no.
Scott enjoyed it.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm so glad to tell.
So anyway, I love my husband.
Yes, remind people that they can still catch COVID. Whether you're vaccinated, unvaccinated, circumcised, uncircumcised, you can still catch COVID, okay? So just be careful, just be mindful. People have young children.
Hold on.
Huh? I said what I said. I said what I said. Just be careful.
I just like went it over in my head and I was just like, okay, that happened.
I hope I didn't wipe it on you. Okay. So just everybody be careful, you know. Skin on
Yeah,
no
don't
skin.
wipe it on me. This is Did you just say something else?
No.
This is my outfit for dinner, so please don't wipe anything.
Alright, well, Gabby's glasses. No, they're not on you.
Okay. Are we gonna
Please wear your balls.
to dinner?
Yes, you take your balls to dinner. At least put them down on the table. Be like, excuse me, sir. Sir, can I have some water? See my balls. Let's check it out. So I just want to know. I've been having an issue. So I remember we are almost at 100 shows, you know.
What?
We are almost at 100 shows. If today is not the 80th episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, then it is the 79th episode.
Wait, I didn't show the other colors of Gabby Glam. Okay, you keep talking and I'll just rub these on you.
So at the beginning of Tuesdays with Tricky, remember I was having an issue switching over to a natural deodorant. So we're not going to talk about Mondam anymore. Mondam is good, clean, nice, fresh girl. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, I love her. But I'm having an issue now with crusty foot bottom.
Dog, is that what those things are on your foot?
Yes, it's to help me. So I don't know. Lisa was saying to me that it could be eczema, right?
Gosh.
So I've started to rub like a hydrocortisone and it's better. Oh, this is my color. This is a red.
This is fierce.
This is not going anywhere. See that? Look at that. It's on my mouth.
This is a new one?
Yeah.
So you chop out your foot bottom.
So I put these little silicone sockies on to help keep whatever I put on my foot bottom there, you know?
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right,
And
right.
it's just everybody's asking me what happened, what's on my foot. So it's like a little silicone sock,
Royal.
but it itches so bad. My heel itches so bad. Like it itches so bad the other day I got a nail.
Oh, that's nice.
And I used
Royal,
it.
that's
Ooh.
nice. That's nice.
Well, your hand is it's purple. It's like a deep purple.
That's nice. That's nice.
So yeah, I used that nail and I was like, streaking my skin. And Lisa's like, what happened to your foot? I was like, oh, I was outside gardening. That's when she knew there was a problem because she's like, outside? You don't go outside. So I don't know what to do about my heel back.
So you don't put some hydrocortisone on it?
I put hydrocortisone, but I want it to go away quicker.
So then, so you got a steroid for it?
I just find that such a waste of money and a doctor's appointment.
Bold. Alright,
Wow, that's nice.
That's nice. It's not my
So
color,
bold
but
is like I feel I could wear the brown.
Yeah, you can. I feel like this is the darkest I can go.
Really?
Why you
You
think
might-
I could?
Well, don't try it now because once that go on, it can't come off.
It what?
It can't come off.
I feel those are nice. Let me see them again.
If they let it
No,
dry,
I think
once you
that-
let
I
it
think
dry,
the gold
nothing.
is- I think that chocolate is a little too dark for me.
For you, I'm gonna try it.
I think it's your color though, but
To get this off, you know, for to get this off,
Oh,
I have to do a double cleanse and use an oil cleanse to get it off.
oh, you use the oil cleanse that lady sent us. I still use mine.
Mine finished long time, girl.
What?
Yes.
Right?
Cocoa Moon.
Yeah,
Girl, I finished so long ago.
I like
Vaseline and socks goods. Vaseline though. Vaseline I have no like little working product like eczema. Maybe try Aquaphor. I just don't want to spend like a $5,000 to go to the doctor.
Aquaphor is not $5,000. Aquaphor is what I use as Stevie's diaper cream.
$5,000 is going to the doctor.
Actually, which doctor are you going to? Because Dr. Stephanie is not $5,000.
How much is she?
She's 10 for your first appointment and 8 after that.
Exactly, but I don't want to spend $10,000 for my foot. It's not falling off.
Well then, deal with the crust.
You have another gift there in the red box. Oh. I don't know. Guys, make sure you check me out later on the Raoul Blaze show. And just see what I'm up to. What shall we talk about? You know he's gonna trouble me, right? You know he's gonna trouble me. You know Raoul going to trouble me when we prickles and prickles.
Tree. The car says.
Oh, that's from me. You sure you want to open that on camera?
No.
Hey! This, no. Vaseline is good. Alright, I'm gonna try the Vaseline.
So anyways, what else you guys want to talk about?
So we have Chesand Gregory. She's an award-winning author, educated and founder of JChess Designs. Also, Miss Jamaica Festival Queen runner-up in 2012. Open your box now.
The box says, "Did Santa wear a mask?"
Oh. This book introduces the JAG brothers in a magically powerful Christmas story as they help Santa solve one of the biggest challenges ever. These superheroes. Let me stop reading, man. So this is a book here by Jamaican author. Ooh. Make Remy see that Christmas sticker sheet. So the book is called "Did Santa Wear a Mask?" And if you check
enjoy the story,
from Chesand, and her last name is Gregory,
and it comes with a
little bookmark. So Trey's gonna leave this with me, and we're going to read. We've gotten quite a few books today, so just stay with us over story time, and we're going to read. And then after we read, we'll hand it over to Sean and Levi for them to read.
Wow! So these
illustrations are nice.
Yeah, and so the box came with a little mask.
Oh, cute! A Jamaica mask.
It came with a Christmas decoration. It came with markers.
Oh, these are good.
It came with markers and a coloring mat. Right? It also came with this handy dandy
hand sanitizer wristwatch.
Oh my gosh, that's really cool.
So you can just squirt it out in your hand.
Yeah, that's really cool. Well, there's a pink and a blue one, so you can give one to Rem and one to
Levi. Okay.
That's really nice. Oh.
So we'll read it and then I'll hand it over to you to read to Stevie.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
This packaging is like...
Stop coughing, man. Do you not remember what we just spoke about? No Santa in the damn mask. You be coughing all over the place. Woo. Hey. Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
Why did you not want me to open this on?
Dr. Teal's lavender body and bath oil and sleeping socks. You can open my card. Do you remember the year I wrote that poem in your card and you cried? I couldn't remember the poem, but I wanted to write it.
So this is for me, Trey.
It does not say Trey.
It says, "Happy birthday, Tricky."
He started off my card with a lie about
Tricky.
Trey.
Celebrating how awesome you are. You bring so many smiles and a lot of joy to everyone who knows you. Best sister, best friend, best auntie. Happy birthday. You know, say me love you. Love Sean, Jodi, Levi, and Remy. That wasn't a tearjerker card.
No, it wasn't, but I'm not that kind of person. I'm a jerk tearful.
I feel like sometimes you do.
I did that once and I had the poem saved, and I wrote it. The poem was about two sisters, and when I walk with you, read one bag of things. May I write the poem on a ball? She read the poem on a ball.
Oh, Joe, thank you so much.
Everybody, I bought her a jet.
Yes! She bought me a gift certificate for one of my favorite places to go that I can never usually afford, the spa.
The spa.
Future Aesthetics. Yes, I love it there. I love it there. They do so many great services.
Well, I made my appointment for my New Year's facial.
I love the geisha facial there. I love the geisha.
The gua sha.
Gua sha.
Gua sha, not geisha.
Oh, that one is so good. So
geisha
good.
is the Japanese lady with the white face.
Well, I thought that.
Gua sha is the stones that do the massage.
Yeah, I love the gua sha facial.
So I booked a facial. I don't know which one yet. I was like, I'll let the facialist look and see and be like, okay, you need this, and let's dig out some of my blackhead out of your face.
Do you have a specific facialist there?
No.
No?
I
like Javon.
I've never had Javon. Look here, one day I was getting a facial in there and Javon was like, can I rub your feet? I was like, at the same time? He's like, yes. Look here now. My back raised up off of the chair like exorcist, you know. You imagine you getting a relaxing facial and then he's, no man, I was like, sir, everybody, hands off. No, in knowing, alright, so we like to drink.
No.
Do you get your 8 glasses of water in a day?
I used to when I was breastfeeding. I made a conscious effort to. And I used to when I used to work because I would drink I'd bring the canteen of water, and so I'd make a conscious effort to finish that canteen. So I think if you make the conscious effort, you can do it.
Mental. Ah, Miss Chin. Miss Chin says she love over here. The amount of mental breakdown we save her from. Miss Chin, thank you very much.
I'm
Miss
so
Chin
happy for that.
is this a nurse? A nurse over at the Spanish Town
Yes.
Hospital. So thank you so much, Miss Chin. You know, I have to acknowledge you as well.
M-Town says she loves us too.
I almost missed the show. Don't you dare. Who is that?
M-Town.
M-Town, don't you dare. Don't do it again. You know you're going to lose your space in the line to come on the jet. Going for sushi, you're going to miss your space in the line. So you just carry on.
First 10
What's
M-Town.
Africa if we really get a jet?
Oh God.
You know why we'd never get a jet? Because we don't know how to behave.
But I feel
We don't know
that's
how to
why we would get a jet. Like, who
Oh.
wants to behave on a jet?
You know what I want to do? Like, so I'd go, you know those videos like,
We went on a jet one time.
Tracy, we stood up, we're like, it's takeoff. We never get time to take off. And the whole way we take off our seatbelts and we're like, whoa, like some real evil. Take this picture. Wait, hold on.
It was before
Wait.
those days. A picture. It was
It's
like.
true, we never took much pictures at all, but we were behaving so.
But I remember like
Country.
it was like we're in Canada and we had to go on a jet, and so first of all we were dressed so awful because none of us had like winter clothes, so we're all in like Sean sweaters like piled up. We look like homeless.
We look like homeless people. They were showing like, this flight is a private flight. We're like, ooh. We're like, yo, do we have any like, what do we take? This time we never know about no Instagram and, you know, do you follow Rich Rush? Girl, she take Instagram to a whole new level. Me can't bother with she. It's her birthday today as well. I'll show you her page after.
No, I don't want to. Not on my birthday. Don't want to. Don't
You're depressed, yes?
Don't shy me.
And then we're just like, yo, it's so crazy.
Actually, let's become friends with her. Maybe she'll invite me on her
she
jet
has
for my birthday.
she has a travel company, you know, and like, so what she'll do is if you're like, oh, I want to go to Italy, she'll be like, okay, you're gonna go to this ice cream shop. This is the outfit you must take, something with pink and blue.
Oh, I need her in my life.
Yes, and what she'll do is she'll set up your vacations and your outings, and then she'll also help you with how
She's
to.
Jamaican?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fabulous because I never know what to pack when I'm going on vacation.
Yeah.
Send her to me. Yeah. Because I want to do a vacation this
She does
year.
like girls trip. She does everything you want to do, and then
Maybe we
she's
should
like,
get her to do our vacation that we want to go on.
the vacation I want to go on is to Colombia, and I don't need anybody to organize for me. I just need doctor. Just need doctor, okay? Say, hey, doctor. Hola, liposuction a mí. Bueno, okay. I'm good.
Panadol.
Muchas drogos, no peno. Okay. Do you think that screen time affects the behavior in children?
Absolutely. So I have not allowed Stevie to watch TV, and she is 7 months old and she's not allowed to watch TV. And I know a lot of mothers use it as time for themselves, and I totally get it. Like, I have no time to myself. Please note, I had to come here dressed in rags and then I turned into riches, you know? So I get it. But I do feel like it changes the behavior, because even sometimes Levi's vocabulary is very, very advanced, and Levi's a very smart kid. Like, and I'm not just being a jonkro here, like, he is smart, and I don't know how book smart he is, but he's definitely street smart. Like, he's 100% street smart, and his vocabulary is off the wall because he watches so many videos and he uses these huge words in the right context. So 100% I do think it affects the children. And he also has like these, he can do the American accent, like he puts on different accents, and he does it when he's talking to certain people, and it's like, so for sure I do think it affects them.
For sure. So I realized, so it was Giselle that came over last night and she was dropping off the eggnog, and we're just chit-chatting about the kids, and she was telling me about another mom who cut out screen time completely, and within a 24-hour period she saw a drastic change in the child's behavior. And I'm thinking maybe next year, so Levi only gets his iPad now on Saturday and Sunday, and I'm thinking to cut out Remy's iPad time too. Remy's iPad time is no iPad in the morning And then when she comes home, she'll iPad working? And then she'll go and get her iPad. But I'm thinking to take her iPad away too.
I mean, I think...
And cut TV.
Yeah, I think so too, because like it really bothers me that, and no offense to you, it's not anything that you did, and I think that mothers do what they can to get the thing done at the time, but you know, you instilled a program where, you know, your kids watch the iPad while eating, and it really bothers me because I feel that they don't understand the concept of like a family dining situation, which was like always so big in our house growing up, you know, and I think that's a good thing for you to cut it out so that they can enjoy and experience like Christmas Day dinner or Sunday dinner or, you know.
But you're not allowed to have your iPad at the table at Nana's house anymore.
So I do think that iPad times does, you know, like you can give it to her like, okay, you can have iPad 1 hour when you come home from school and that's it, you know.
And Winsome can also show me how to there's a timer you can set on to cut off the Wi-Fi. I just felt like Remy is so young to explain to her
why she can't
have it. But maybe both of them get it on Saturday, so maybe I'll hope that one day in the New Year she throws it down and be like, broken. I remember when Levi broke his iPad, he threw it down and I took it away for a good 3 months. Alright, okay guys, can everybody just remind me, please, jump in my DMs when you see the kids in the New Year with their iPad, just remind me that I'd said I wanted to cut down on screen time. Because
I think that's very big of you, Joe, to admit that like you think your children have
too much screen time. And Giselle really pointed it out to me last night in a very like, she was just, she never said it to me. She was like, well, you know what happened with so-and-so, right? And she had 24, you know, she never said, maybe you should try this. She never judged me, nothing. And I like how it was brought up. So thank you, Giselle.
Parenting isn't about
That's why I'm like, your eggnog, nog. Maybe it's not, I don't think there's egg in here.
Let me try a little bit more.
She said you must have it over ice, like maybe even crushed ice. Bad girl not deal with ice, you know.
Unless it's on my fingers. Thank you. Yeah, and you know, I don't think anything to do with parenting is about judging another parent. Like, and that's what I wanted to talk about in Tricky's Corner today. So maybe I should have my Tricky's Corner now.
Do it, girl. Take a sip. Take a sip.
Thank you.
Sippy sip.
There's definitely white rum in here.
You think so?
For sure, Joel. For sure. Anyway, so I was talking to somebody the other day and they were having some issues with their guy in their life, right? And the way that she handles her program is not necessarily how I would handle my program. And you know, she was very open and talking to us in a group about like what her issues and what's happening with her. And the two of us were sitting down there, two of our other friends, so 3 of us in the group, and the girl who's having the issues, a friend and me, and we're all sitting down, and the friend was kind of like, you know, why would you do that? Why would you do that? And I agreed with the friend in everything, and I just had to stop the friend and be like, you know, she's doing the best that she can in the moment with the tools that she has
available to her. Yeah.
Yeah, and when I said that to my friend, the conversation ended and she called me back and she was like, am I being too hard? And I was like, no, I don't think you're being too hard. I think you're being honest. And I think what happens in friendships is that we need that honesty from people. But we also have to realize that when you're in certain situations and you're in that moment, sometimes you don't know what to do, and you make a decision, and that's a decision you make, and that's what you follow through with because that's what feels like is the right thing for you at the time, but it's not necessarily the right thing for an overall outcome, which is number 1 why I think it is so important to have good brethrens or family members or whoever it is that you can talk to, that you're not going to get offended by what they say. That's number 1. So you have to have that brethren in your life that you can go to, and that brethren can tell you you're being a stupid doo-doo head, and you can appreciate that and be like, yo, but I'm still your friend. That's number 1. And number 2 is that, you know, looking onto somebody else's life, it's always easy for us to judge. It's always easy for us to say, she fool, me would have left him. Or judge
Oh, she
like
can
that.
put up with that. Or
Yeah.
yeah.
And it's easy, but you do what is best for you in the moment. And I just want to remind everybody that we're all people and we're all living. And we're just...
Friends need to have empathy. Empathy. And also...
We're all living, we're all breathing, we're all human, and we're just all trying to be happy. So, in remembering that, I just want you to like step forward in the new year with a new view on people and a new view on their family situations and a new view on maybe their marriage or how they deal with their children. Just a new view and know that this is what they're doing and it's the best that they can do. That's all.
That's true. Facts. Straight facts. I just wanted to show you guys that...
Rasta George.
Okay, did you not believe me when I was like, yo, you know how much trouble you can get up to with these? No evidence.
Let me see.
So, for like mask wearing, which you should be wearing your mask,
that's crazy.
this is not going to come off. I'm telling you.
That's crazy.
I mean, you rubbed it and there's like the red.
The red is what came off.
But yeah, and the red is what I have on.
Like,
okay, but how can you like pull down like that's a real test.
And I didn't.
She's like oh, digging down my skin.
That is crazy. And then the red. Okay,
red
the red came
is
off
hard. Red is hard.
Red is very hard. Red is very hard, but that's still very good.
But you can still watch. Ready?
Ready.
That's a liner. Put on a liner. Watch a big red ring.
That's crazy.
Put on liner. Mm-hmm. So just saying, when you're putting on Gabby Glam, make sure your hands steady. Because if your hand don't steady, what is in it though? It is
what
called...
Lulu CC saying? Alcohol vibes?
Wipes.
Alcohol,
Wipes. Alcohol wipes.
It's vegan free friendly. It's cruelty free.
But yeah, you can take off this with alcohol wipes. Alcohol vibes. Whoa, hold on. What's our friend again? Spicy tuna? Where's Spicy tuna?
Where's Spicy tuna? My mom was like so concerned.
She was like, you didn't see the R? We're like, no. Every time we see
the R?
What did we not see?
Tina. Her name is Tina. Where are you going?
Turner. Tina. Her name is Turner. Spicy Turner.
Oh, between the Lady Bee.
We are.
By the way, I finished my Lady Bee package. It was like frozen, so this is all just the frozen memoirs.
Does it give a dry feel like most matte lippies? So, to be honest with you, my lips are not moist. They're not moist, but I'm not rubbing them together. I feel like with most matte lip glosses, if we find one that works, you're going to have to sacrifice that jelly, creamy rub mouth gloss. It's not a gloss. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to lie to you. My lips don't feel like hydrated, but my lipstick is not moving. So you do have to make a sacrifice. You can't expect to have a matte moisturizing lippy. That's just not how it's going to go. So just letting you know. When you take it off, you can put on
I
all
wonder
kind
if the
of...
brown would suit me.
Girl, you've just had a few drinks. Man, are you putting that on? Where's the mirror? Come on. But yes, but you have something on your mouth already.
I'm going to take it off.
We have 3 minutes left to watch Tracy put on this thing on her mouth after a few drinks. And she has dinner later. Don't drop my mirror.
I feel, don't drop that bumper-dum.
Don't drop that bumper-dum. Don't drop that bumper-dum.
Sort out.
Raul just plays. Raul, I did tell everybody about the interview this evening.
What's happening with the carnival reality show that you're doing?
We're going to talk about that. Well, Raul, I think Raul will give me a chance to talk about it. But we can't talk about it here and talk about it with Raul. He's here now. He's going to get bored.
Oh, he's here?
Yes, he's here.
Hi, Raul.
Thanks, Raul. We put on a red for you. Look, it doesn't move. Watch.
Alright, here I go.
Right, ready?
Alright.
Where are Tracy's pants from? These are from that American brand. American Apparel. Get the black. Black? They don't make your bottom look very good though, you know.
No.
They don't make your bottom look. You look like you have a big pancake, broad, like elder American woman bottom.
Wow. If that
Do it before it dries. Do it before it dries, girl. Ooh, thank goodness I got some Tracy's, yeah. You can see the full thing on YouTube. Make sure you check us out over on YouTube. Just type in Jodi and Tricky. Type in Jodi and Jodi and just Jodi. There's no Ann in my name. You know, type in Sean Paul wife. One bag of things come up when you type in Sean Paul wife. All heap of things. What do you think? You look very like it's winter.
What do you guys think? I've never worn a lipstick this dark before. I'm kind of feeling it though. What do you guys think?
Today's sorrel.
Don't drop that.
Sorrel sunset.
No, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling
I
it.
think it look nice in the brown.
This is a brown. Do you guys like it?
It's not bad. I just find that your lip kind of disappears.
Well, that is just my lip. It disappears.
Smile again. What kind of smile is that? It looks really nice on her, somebody says. Somebody says, love it. Suits your eyes. Yes, you're right.
Thank you.
Especially the black shirt. She looks like she's like rich in winter. Oh, you could go on a jet. You could go on a jet.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just need like a little Russian.
Like a little hat or something.
Yeah. Oh.
Also says he likes the dark lips on your teeth. Fitz is late. If Fitz drop one more thing for the Christmas, you know, I got broke. Fitz clothing. Jodi. There's another Jodi in my life. Every minute with a secret and buy a little one thing.
So you don't secret and buy from me, so?
What you want from them? Do you not follow them?
Yeah, I do.
If you order something, what time is it? 2:30, we're gonna go soon. If you order something right now from Fitz Clothing, it reached your gate by 5:30.
Yeah?
Yes. It's like the rider just annoy me. He call me so quick. I never even get a time to cool down. Rider just annoy me. Sure. As I go, click send, rider goes, hi, I have a delivery for you. I did not even get to cock up my foot. Sure. Harass me up, man. All right, everybody. Somebody says it looks rich.
Thank you.
Because you don't know how to behave in the jet. All right, everybody. That's it for our pre-Christmas show. We hope everybody has a wonderful day on Christmas Day.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let me have this one now. Let me have it now. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Don't need no backup. Bye guys, thank you so much for being here with us all throughout the year.
Wait, hold on. Can we just sing it one more time together?
A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Bye everybody. Have a Merry Christmas and we will see you in the new year. Have a happy and holy Christmas. Stay safe. Don't cough. Bye.
Bye.